Greetings dear clients and valued subscribers. This is Ison company with you. In this video, we will review the Ison IP-LK-850-H 4 megapixel IP PoE surveillance camera featuring PoE, a built-in microphone, a full HD sensor and infrared illumination up to 30 meters. We will discuss this camera in detail. I will tell you everything about its features and capabilities. We will also take a look at a sample recording. Let's start by removing the protective film so it doesn't distract us. The camera is universal color and all-weather. It can withstand temperatures down to -60 degrees. It is of very high quality, made of metal, and operates with IP66 protection rating. The operating temperature range is from +55 to -60 degrees. It is not afraid of precipitation, rain or snow. It is suitable for any climate. The package contents traditionally include the camera itself, the box, mounting hardware, and all necessary instructions. The camera is universal. It can be mounted both on a wall and on the ceiling. That is, it has a joint here which can be adjusted in all directions. You can mount it wherever is convenient for you. The camera supports the ONVIF 2.4 compatibility protocol. The camera also supports the modern H.265 compression codec. Thanks to this codec, the hard drive space used will be twice as little compared to similar cameras that use the older codec, and this comes without any image distortion. This camera is state-of-the-art. It features the best next-generation sensor, the best next-generation processor, the best built-in Ison Mic 800 microphone, the first of its kind, and the best next-generation night vision. All Ison cameras come with a 3-year warranty. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new videos.